What's up guys, it's just a couple of hours left for the official launch of the OnePlus 8 Pro, and yeah, here we have the top 8 best features of the real flagship from OnePlus. First up, we have the fast wireless charging. Yes, if you're not following the leads, wireless charging is finally coming to the OnePlus 8 Pro, and what a way to start a wireless journey by leading the industry with one of the fastest wireless charging coming at 30 watts. OnePlus proved their promise true, and both the wired and wireless charging has output of same 30 freaking watts. You'll have option to charge in any scenario with any charger without compromising the speed. Next up, we have a breathtaking smoothness. Now, OnePlus phones have always proved to be one of the smoothest and fastest Android phone, and with the introduction of high refresh rate in OnePlus 7 Pro, they just took the smartphone smoothness to a next level. And with the OnePlus 8 Pro, it's gonna give you a 120Hz higher refresh rate coming at Quad HD resolution, something Samsung did not allow you to use. But OnePlus give you the best of both worlds. Now, it's just not smoothness, OnePlus has also made significant improvements into its display technology. This year's Fluid AMOLED panel is one of the most color accurate display out there. It has 10-bit color accuracy, meaning the OnePlus 8 Pro will produce over 1 billion colors than that of 16 million individual smartphones. Next up is the IP68 certification. So OnePlus finally started to listen to its consumers. First, wireless charging, in fact the fastest wireless charging, and now a proper IP68 certification. This is the main reason why OnePlus moved towards a punch hole display design. More on that later. At number 4, we have MBMC chip. In case you don't know, MBMC stands for motion estimation, motion compensation. This chip will upscale the frame rate of your existing content, your existing video, according to the higher 120Hz display, and will give you the smoothest video possible. Currently, 13 applications support this MBMC upscaling, including YouTube, Netflix, MX Player, VLC, and some Chinese video players. And at number 5, latest and greatest performance with 5G. With the OnePlus 8 devices, you are getting the best of the best performance, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 along with 5G. No matter where you live, like in Asia or Eurasia, you get the same performance as your US and China siblings. And with the Pro model, you are also getting a UFS 3 storage along with the fastest LPDDR5 RAM. Next on the list, we have finally flagship cameras. OnePlus phones haven't turned out to be the great camera phone in recent 5 years, but this year OnePlus has made significant improvements into its camera game as well. OnePlus is using the same cameras on the Pro as the Oppo Find X2 Pro. The main camera here is the third largest sensor in smartphone, coming at 48 megapixel resolution along with fastest pixel autofocus technology. There is also a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 8 megapixel 3x optical telephoto lens. Here are some of the sample shots taken from the OnePlus 8 Pro, and they are very promising. OnePlus has also improved their color profile of capturing images thanks to the help of dedicated 5 megapixel color filter lens as well. Next up is the design and colors. So nothing major changed here when it comes to design except this punch hole display over the pop-up camera. And yes, I know a lot of you guys are upset, but this is the next step forward towards the under display camera technology. The punch hole over the pop-up has also made the OnePlus 8 Pro IP certified phone, and punch hole is also expensive than a normal OLED panel, so I think you should appreciate OnePlus. And we also have these beautiful colors. My favorite one is the Interstellar Glow, which is only for the OnePlus 8, and it's looking incredibly beautiful, very similar to Samsung's Aura Glow on the Note 10 Plus. And last but not the least, cheaper price than competition. It was leaked that OnePlus 8 Pro's Europe price was over 1000 euros, which also includes European tax. But as for the US prices, it might be lower than $1000 mark, as said by OnePlus CEO himself. So yeah, that's it for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Let me know what you think of all these features in the real flagship from OnePlus. Do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.